Is it time to buy or sell Take-Two Interactive Software stock? In this video, we will explore Take-Two Interactive Software in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Take-Two Interactive Software as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.38. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.4% since we first identified Take-Two Interactive Software as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.95% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $235.78 would initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 9.51% to positive 7.29%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of around 49.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 24.44% to 51.98% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $288.46 and $352.31. Our latest daily update for Take-Two Interactive Software includes the headline: Take-Two Interactive Software stock price ended at $231.81 on Tuesday after gaining 2.88%. The Take-Two Interactive Software stock price gained 2.88% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, rising from $225.32 to $231.81. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.49% from a day low of $222.24 to a day high of $232.21. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 72,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares bought and sold for approximately $637 million, $220,000. It's important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can create divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $238, and the lowest price was $135.24. Currently, the price is 2.60%, or $6.19, below the 52-week high of $238, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Take-Two Interactive, known by its trading symbol TTWO, is experiencing significant fluctuations today, following the highly anticipated release of Trailer 2 for Grand Theft Auto 6. This trailer showcases the new setting in Vice City and provides fans with a deeper understanding of the game's narrative. As excitement builds, TTWO stock quickly reacted to this development, shifting from early session uncertainty to a more optimistic outlook. Just a few days ago, TTWO stock faced pressure due to the announcement of a delay in the game's release from fall 2025 to May 2026. This setback initially led to a sharp decline in the stock price, as the gaming community has been waiting for this title for over a decade. Despite this delay, analysts like Chris Wang are emphasizing the long-term growth potential of TTWO, suggesting that once the game finally launches, It could generate substantial revenues and enhance shareholder value. In the short term, today's trailer release could serve as a catalyst for investors looking to take advantage of the hype, potentially leading to a price rebound. In the long term, the success of Grand Theft Auto 6, upon its release, is crucial. It could restore investor confidence and support a steady upward trend in TTWO stock as anticipation builds over the coming year. Overall, these developments highlight the volatility and excitement inherent in the gaming sector, particularly with a franchise as influential as Grand Theft Auto. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of March 2025, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned TTWO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 27th of January 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TTWO a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 21st of January 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned TTWO an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 5th of December 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned TTWO an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October 2024, it was reported that HSBC assigned TTWO an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Take-Two Interactive Software stock a general strong sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Take-Two Interactive Software. The Take-Two Interactive Software stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at $228.77 and $213.95. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. It is essential to monitor this stock closely. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 1st, 2025, and thus far the stock has decreased by 1.43%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 134 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Take-Two Interactive Software. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $219.50 and $208.77. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Take-Two Interactive Software finds support just below today's level at $219.50. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $208.77 and $194.58. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.97 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.49%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.41%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Take-Two Interactive Software, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.08. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Take-Two Interactive Software. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Take-Two Interactive Software is at $233.32. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Take-Two Interactive Software encounters its first support level at $219.50. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Take-Two Interactive Software from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March 2025, Sharesky Michael executed an insider sale of 173 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of March 2025, Goldstein Laney executed an insider sale of 829 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of March 2025, Emerson Daniel P. executed an insider sale of 577 shares of common stock. On the 25th of February 2025, Slatoff Carl executed an insider sale of 6,487 shares of common stock. On the 25th of February 2025, Slatoff Carl executed another insider sale of 23,327 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 10.736. In total, insiders purchased 1,244,850 shares and sold 951,203 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $223.12, reflecting a decline of 3.75%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Take-Two Interactive Software stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Take-Two Interactive Software stock to perform well in the short term. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we expect Take-Two Interactive Software to open lower by $3.06, starting at $228.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.